Cllr Yemi Osho with Pastor Michael Lewis, left, and with children at the church. Get the latest local news straight to your inbox every day. A group of Christians celebrated the ancient Harvest Festival and collected donations for the victims of Hurricane Irma in the Caribbean. Worshippers at Cllr Faith Ministries were joined by Mayor of Waltham Forest Cllr Yemi Osho on Sunday, September 17, for Bible readings and hymns at the Thanksgiving event. The ancient festival has been celebrated by farmers since pagan times to mark the end of a successful harvest. Parishioners at the church in Kitchener Road, Walthamstow brought dried foods and clothing which will be sent to the islands hit by the hurricane earlier this month. The church, which is run by Pastor Michael Lewis, is looking for volunteers to help at their Christmas event which feeds elderly and isolated people. For more information, contact the event's executive Monica Saunders on 07944568001 or visit www.cllrfaithministries.org.